we have my 1972 AMC Hornet. It's got direct port injection nitrous on it. It's been road tripped across the country, but it needs something more. So, guess what I got?
Ooh, a flamethrower. So it's coming out the side, it's gonna go up.
It's gonna burn people's cars. Sorry in advance. We are going to be sending a fuel source to the end of the exhaust. So this nitrous fan nozzle is going to be spraying fuel directly into the exhaust from a nitrous fuel solenoid that we have under the hood because this car already has nitrous on it. And it's going to run fuel back to here. And then this is going to be mounted on a momentary switch that sends power whenever I'm holding the button, and it doesn't interrupt my ignition.
If this had flames coming out, it would just burn the side of your car right off.
So I'm thinking what we're going to do is cut the pipe off here, throw this guy in here, and have the flames actually exit out here in this bolt.
Okay, so 5 or 6 inches probably.
This is my favorite tool in existence because you can fix pretty much any mistake you make with it. This is the pipe that's going to be the extension on my side pipe so I don't burn the side of my car. But when you're cutting a bend, you have to draw a line, you know, that's 90 degrees perpendicular to anywhere on the bend. So this is a mandrel bent pipe, so it's round all the way through. But if you say cut, you know, straight here rather than in line with the pipe, you're not going to have a round tube when you're done. So you see this line, it's round all the way around. We're going to run this through an upright bandsaw and hopefully have a nice pipe to weld onto our car when we're done. So now we need to decide where to drill a spark plug hole. Alright, so there's that. Where should we put nitrous? It's not an exact science, right? If somebody pisses you off in traffic, just light it on fire.
We do not endorse that.
I'm into it.
So that's kind of cool. So next up we got to drill a hole for the nitrous fogger nozzle.
And I'm into the MSD plug wire.
Yeah, the bright red.
It's a nice touch. Just,
very
you know,
Christmas.
if you're gonna have a spark plug in your exhaust, you might as well show it off. So now that we've got the hole drilled for the fuel nozzle, this is actually a 90-degree directional spray on this nozzle. So we had to clock it in line with the exhaust. And now we're going to put a fuel jet in it. And then we're using this adapter to go from what is -3 AN to -4 AN for the line that's gonna run to the front of the car. Go up to here and zip tie it and then loop back around to it so there's not like weird pressure on that.
Prepare the zip ties. Okay, so we're going to put it like this-ish. Then we're going to come back around and we're going to plug that in here.
You can cut it, you can cut it to length.
This is the hot wire that goes to the front, and then this is the ground.
Yes.
Rotisserie style.
Look at that.
Spark plug wire is zip tied to the leaf spring. and it's plugged into this little coil. Here's the ground, this is the power. It's going to go up to a switch under the dash. And of course this is a fuel line. It's going to have fuel pressure. And when this is engaged, it's going to spray fuel into here. This is going to spark it and fire's going to go boom. All we have to do here is just disconnect. So instead of sending fuel to the carburetor, send it to the back of the car. Good? It's like a white flame like that big. Oh, it's a big flame. Like it's not blue, it's white.
Gonna do some really stupid things. Thanks for watching, everybody, and I hope you enjoy the stupid things we do with our cars for you guys. Please remember to like, comment, and share. Thanks.